Hey there. So today we'll have a build video, and it's going to be something special. I gonna build myself a X8 5-inch quad, and for this we have this frame. No name. It's called the Dual X5. As you can see, there was a correction. It's carbon fiber is a 3mm plus 5mm. Yeah, let's check this out. I'm pretty curious how this is gonna look like in the end. No idea how to build this. There's no instructions as well, so check this out. So what's in the bag? There's top and bottom plates, which are pretty much identical, I think, which is okay, I guess. They're totally identical. Standoffs, metal standoffs, no plastic. There's this some antenna holder, I guess. No, that's the camera guard for the phone. Screws, just regular 3 screws. 8mm, I guess. Not labeled. More screws. These are M2 screws and small standoffs. Not sure yet what they are for. Oh, there's rubber gummies for a stack mount. Okay. So then we have arm front, which is another package on its own. There's the arm. There's some plates, I guess, for motor mount. And you have screws, motor screws. Same thing in the rear. Find it kind of strange they're separating these, but yeah, we'll see. Then we have these parts, which I believe is the landing pod. Don't know what this is and why this is protected with some foil, whatever, plastic, I don't know. Some more screws. And these are, I don't know what, TPU parts. Pretty thick ones. No idea. Let's check this out. So we'll not start with this. I guess we'll start with arms and top and bottom plate. So just for this video, I just built the frame without the motors and electronics and stuff, because I first need to learn how this all works to be able to select components, because I'm not quite sure what motors and electronics I'm gonna put in there. Yeah, it will kind of depend on what actually fits in there. This is strange. I don't know how to do this. Oh, they have M2 holes for... Oh my goodness. Standoffs? Oh wow. We will find out. We will find out. So let's continue. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So I guess 2 for each arm. This will go top here. Oh, I see. I see. So you will mount the motors on these little plates, one here and one here, and then you screw the plates to the arm. That's how it's gonna work, I guess. Huh. Interesting. And they got some these how are they called? Comets? I don't know. I guess they go in here. Not sure. This is an adventure. Okay, so maybe I'll leave these off just for assembling the frame without the components. But I guess I need these. These are motor screws. Oh yeah, sure. They they'll be on this plate, and this display that is so short, so I'll leave them in the bag for now. Yeah, still don't know how this is gonna work, so I guess this is the back. Is this the back? This the front? So here we have a bigger holes. Oh, this is the 30mm stack. And we have another stack mount here, another stack mount back here. Interesting. I would think this is the front. So we have the rear arms. Probably something like that here. Yeah, must go here, I guess. But this means that I would need to install these to somewhere. The question is where. So yeah, did a little research and found out that actually this is not the front, but it's the back side, and that kind of makes sense because this hole here is meant for an SMA antenna mount, which is kind of neat. I don't use these that much actually, but I mean, good to have it. You also have a lot of mounting options here on both sides, like top and bottom plate, which are the same obviously. So this is the back, this is the front actually. So we have the rear arms here, and they're supposed to go like that. And then I need to insert these small thingies here where I always keep forgetting the name. Supposed to go here, I guess. Maybe with a lot of pressure, or maybe I'll take a drill and drill out the hole a little bit. I don't know. The longer ones here, they'll come from the top and then through the arm for the arm, and then into a standoff. Yeah, like so. There you go, like so. And then you put the standoff on here, and then it goes to the bottom plate. This one here is the shorter screw, and then I guess we'll screw into this little thingy here. You know what? I'll just try to tighten it by screwing it into this thing, which I don't know yet is a good idea. Maybe this video will end right here when the arm cracks. Yeah, I'm scared. Is this a good idea? I don't know. I don't think so. It does pull in a little, but don't over tighten it. Does seem kind of, yeah. I'm killing the screw here. Don't want to do this. Wow, this is wiggling. I'm not good. I'm not sure what to do about this. Maybe this will stop wiggling when they're kind of pushing against here. Not sure. So yeah, about these things. So it seemed that... Oh, look at this. This sucks, but this is because it's not fixed yet. But these metal thingies, one arm, it went in just fine. And the other arm was a nightmare. It didn't. So, yeah, still, it doesn't look too bad now. They're kind of fixed, and I'm not sure. This is not very durable. I mean, the arm thickness is, you can see this is like 6mm. But, I mean, this is so thin, fragile here. It's likely gonna break. It will, I'm sure. Anyway, let's continue. So yeah, next will be standoffs. These will be for the camera holders, which go somewhere here. Yeah, there's smaller ones which go here. I can hand tighten these. Like so. And then somewhere should have screws for the, I believe these are these. These are fortunately all the same, so yeah, let's get on with the demos. Oh. Okay, so camera mount, camera mount, camera mount. So one thing I noticed is all these screws are not recessed, so I need to put a thick battery pad on top of here. Yeah, still maybe also an option to fly 2 packs, like one top mount and the other one bottom mount, because there will be a lot of space at the bottom. So we will see, we will see a lot of things here. Camera is pretty low here, so I don't have much screen space here, as you can see. Oops. Okay, so usually 5-inch quad will be like this. So this one's different. There will be this stand, which I'll mount here somewhere. I need to find out how. And the arms with the motors are actually mounted to the top plate, which is kind of crazy, I think. But that's just how it is, because you'll have tall motors facing down with props, so we need more space to the bottom, which kind of makes sense, huh? The stand. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, this is carbon. I think this is 3D printed carbon. Interesting. Yeah, this is definitely 3D printed. Wow. But it's stiff and it feels like it's got a rough surface, so this is carbon filament. Interesting. So you got 2 of these, I guess, like so. And then you got, I don't know. So again, what's interesting is that I found out that these 2 are actually variants of the same thing. You can see they got same dimensions, the same hole diameters, maybe not. This is a bit... this looks like an M2 hole, whereas these are M3. Well, I guess they're not even used, I think. Because they will screw into, flip this around, they will screw into the standoffs here. So I actually need to unscrew this and to be able to mount it here. Yeah, and then we got these here, which kind of act as a spacer, right? So then we have these rusty things here, which are not great. But they plug in like here. Doesn't quite fit. But then you have this helicopter landing gear and a screw going through here, and then tucking this together. Pull the thing right in there. Okay. Yeah, let's see that. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, very interesting build. Really, never did something like that. So these, what do you call these? Slides? I don't know. Sled? Looks like a sled. This is actually just laser cut plastic. I believe it's ABS. I hope. Quite flexible. Quite sure if you have a hard crash, that's an instant break. These, as I said, are some carbon fiber 3D print filament, probably PLA, because on the Bambu printer I get similar material, which looks the same. Try using these in favor of these, because well, weight is obviously not so much an issue with this quad, but still saves some weight and doesn't look as clunky as the TP ones. But when they break, I still have these, so let's go with that. And yeah, I think there might be just enough room for second battery here. Check this out. Yeah, so as expected, it was not quite enough space. This is the smallest 6S battery I have, and unfortunately, it doesn't fit in between those two mounting brackets here. Too bad. Yeah, maybe I put a thicker foam in here and just put it on top, because that is enough room here. Not like this, but if you mount it flat, you will have enough space for landing here. Maybe you can see that here. Yeah. I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe I'll just try it out with a top mount battery first, because we have plenty of space on top here. It's not quite level, which is something I can adjust. But yeah, that's it. That's the frame. Pretty interesting. Next up, we'll be sourcing the materials here: motors, electronics, and a video system. Not sure yet which one I will use. DJI or HD0, or one of it. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you're one of my biggest fans, so thanks for the support. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you soon. Bye bye.